loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply your false eyelash. So as you can see, I already put on my eyeliner. It makes it easier for application when you put on your eyeliner, just to kind of give you like a specification of how to put on your falsies. So what you need is your eyelash, your tweezers, and your lash glue. So here I have two eyelash glues, and this one is the classic makeup eyelash glue, and this is like a dupe for the duo eyelash glue, but I don't have the duo eyelash glue. The duo eyelash glue is a very good eyelash adhesive, and if you can find it, it is actually a very good eyelash glue. But this classic makeup eyelash glue is actually a very good one as well, and I love using this to stick on my lashes. So side note, I have a very coily lashes, to the point where it's so hard to stick up my lashes without my natural lashes pulling it out or lifting it up. You want to go into a mascara. You want to use a mascara so that your natural lashes blends well with your falsies. And you're just going to slightly coat that. You don't want to put too much mascara on, just because you want it to blend. You don't really want to define your lashes. So when you get your lashes, you put it on your eyes and kind of measure out how well it fits and see where you need to cut off. So this fits perfectly fine on my eyelid, so I don't need to trim it. But if it's too big or too long for your lashes, then you need to trim it. I know there are so many tweezers out there. They have these beginner tweezers that kind of looks like the shape of your natural eyelash, like the natural eyelid. I always prefer using this regular one that you can basically get anywhere, or I'll just use my hand to stick up the lashes. So now you want to take the tweezer and hold the lashes as close to the band as possible. This is how you want to put the tweezers, as close to the eyelash band. So now you want to put a very light coat of your adhesive on your lash band, and you just want to get it on the band. You don't want to get it here, you just want to get it on your band. I'm going to put a little on the band. And then you drop that and do the same for the second one. This step can always be skipped if you don't have a coily eyelash, but because I have a coily eyelash, I'm going to go into my classic makeup eyelash adhesive, and I'm just going to place that gently here where I'm going to be sticking my falsies. More like I'm just placing it directly on my eyeliner, but below my eyeliner, just so that my lashes sticks more. So this is a very good trick. You actually want it to touch your eyelashes just so that it sticks on your lashes more. So I need to do the same for my other eye. You don't want to blow on your lashes. You just want to kind of like swing it on the air so that it dries. You don't want to blow directly on your lashes, just for hygienic purposes. So now my lash glue is tacky enough, so I'm just going to stick that. And you don't want to stick your lashes straight like this. You want to look down and place it from up to down, and you want to place it like this, not like this, not like this. You want to place it like this. So I'm going to, I love using my hand, but you can use your tweezers if that makes you comfortable, but I kind of have mastered the way I apply my falsies, so using your hand is very much easier, to be honest. So I'm just going to put that like this. And as you can see, I'm just lifting and pressing. I already stick down my lashes, so you want to go ahead and use your tweezers and kind of press in your lashes with the falsies, just like this. So what you want to do is that you want to go into your mascara again and kind of just blend it in more. But you don't want to put too much mascara. And you can kind of go into your fingers and kind of like press it in. Just press it in gently. And it just sticks. So this is what it's looking like. So I'm going to go ahead and throw on my second false. So guys, I hope this was very easy and helpful. I tried to break it down as much as possible. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it and I hope you guys learned one or two things from it. And yeah, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!